At our stem cell therapy and functional medicine clinic, we've been getting a lot of questions about BHRT, or bioidentical hormone replacement therapy in Tulsa. People want to know what it is and how it works. All hormones are natural, but what most women mean when they say they want natural hormones is that they're interested in using bioidentical hormones. The distinction is that bioidentical hormones are identical in their molecular shape, makeup, and structure to hormones made in the human body. This is what makes bioidentical hormones the perfect keys to unlock the body's receptor sites. In other words, it's the shape of the molecule, not the source. Today, most women know that, while natural, the hormones Premarin, Prempro, and Provera are not bioidentical. Premarin is a natural hormone if your natural food is hay. That's because it's made from conjugated mare urine. Provera was developed as a substitute for bioidentical progesterone. Pharmaceutical companies do this because they cannot patent a naturally occurring hormone. If you receive hormonal replacement therapy that doesn't fit the original design that your cells have evolved to recognize, you might not feel or act quite right. You'll likely notice that something's off. Some of the side effects may be annoying or even uncomfortable. Others, they can be downright dangerous. Bioidentical hormones duplicate the structure of our hormones exactly as they are found in our bodies. That's why they work better in our bodies. If you or anyone you know has concerns or questions regarding BHRT or bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, then we invite you to call today and schedule an appointment with one of our medical experts here in Tulsa.